How to permanently delete data on a disk. In the main interface of DiskGenius, select the hard disk where you want to clear data. Click Tools menu and select Erase Sectors option. In the Erase Sectors window, set the sector range to be erased and the character to fill the sector with. Click Erase button. Click Erase and OK button to confirm operations to be done, and DiskGenius starts to erase data on selected disk space. Wait patiently for the process to complete. Click Complete. The data on the disk is completely deleted.